Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the Sea Ray 2018 350 SLX Outboard. As you can see from the transom of this boat, it is designed to entertain. This is really the quintessential boat for the sandbar, just out having fun and cruising up and down the water. As you board the boat, you can see there's a submersible platform here, as well as a full beam walk around swim area that is not obstructed by these big 3 outboard motors. The engine configuration on here is triple 300 horsepower joystick piloting, which allows each motor to operate independently of the other, leaving you the option to side shift the boat, spin it 360 degrees with just that joystick control at the helm. Let's take a step aboard. Great entryway here with in-floor storage and shower. And as you enter the boat, notice how accommodating and luxurious this is. The SLX series is designed to be the luxury series. It actually uses quiet ride technology, and with along the outboards is really among the quietest boat that you will ever run on the water. Grill area here, along with the refrigerator, sink, and basin, and full wraparound seating, convertible seat that flips either forward or faces aft. Equipped with a hardtop on this model with convertible sunshade, and also full electronic aft shade that goes all the way to the back of the boat. Taking a step to the helm, you'll notice this boat has the full electronics package with your Ray Marines, but also has the function of My Boat, which syncs to your iPad or iPhone, allowing you to control a lot of your features on this boat with your digital device. Commanding the boat itself, this boat is very, very easy, even as big as it is, with the joystick piloting control here, your helm, throttles, dynamic running surface, allowing the boat to automatically adjust on the water. Everything is really easy and ergonomic here, and of course you have a buddy chair for those long rides with your friends. Head compartment over to the port side. Very, very spacious, equipped with the vacuum flush system and holding tank. You also have a shower area down below and natural ventilation and sunroof. To the starboard side, you have a small cabin. Flipping a switch, it pops up, allowing you to get into the cabin area. Moving to the bow, again, notice how beamy this is up forward. You have compartment, cooler storage, in-floor storage, table storage, and I always point out again how luxurious this is. Vinyl wrapping every component of the boat, all of the handrails. It's the beefiest series that you can get in the Sea Ray. Forward, you do have an automatic anchor windlass, allowing the anchor to go up and down automatically, and you have remote control of that here. Very easy to access and service. Again, this has been the video walkthrough of the Sea Ray 2018 350 SLX Outboard. If you have any questions, please dial up www.marinemax.com.